Hey, 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 what are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Let's start with some cards and see what we get. Back to basics. The best things in life are free. When the world becomes too overwhelming, leave it all behind. Go get back to basics and escape within yourself. Pretend nothing else exists except you. What part of your body feels the safest and calmest? Center yourself there now. Let everything else fall away. Remain in this state for 8 minutes. Giving time to yourself instead of everything else allows you to recharge and reconnect with your energy and power. This will give you the gift of harmony. You can't pour from an empty cup. Take care of yourself first. Let's scoot this closer so you can see the cards in the camera view, at least a little bit. Breathe, power. Close your eyes and breathe normally. When breathing in, imagine you are breathing in power and good feeling. You can imagine the power as a color or as light. Breathe this way for 5 to 10 minutes. Every breath charges you like a charger does a phone, and peacefully breathing relaxes the body. And the last card for today before we go to our messages. The unknown. Alrighty, which item has our messages today? Let's do this one. Bad choices makes good stories. An underrated green flag is when someone goes out of their way to remind you how irreplaceable you are in their life and others. If you're in a job you're not happy in, try switching your thoughts around it. Use your talents, gifts. What other ways can you find peace with your work? When you see someone who looks and acts and believes differently than you, don't judge them. Send them love and go on your way, or say hi. You cannot have a better past, so abandon that idea right now. Everyone, including you, did what you could with the info you had. If you knew better, you would have done better. You are no longer that person. Learn from it, grow from it, share it, and teach others what you learned and how you overcame these things. Today's mantra: I will stay silly and not allow the world to make me bitter and cruel. And the last one today: notice the acts of kindness that other people do rather than the wrongdoing. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.